The 2010 Challenger, rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, cruise control, keyless entry, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 playback stereo, rear window defroster, power door locks, electronic stability control, power windows, intermittent wipers, traction control system, brake assist, brake park interlock, power seat, remote trunk release, power mirrors, halogen headlamps. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.